How to recover deleted call history on Android. Hey guys, I'm Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. Open your Play Store and in the search bar, search for Restore Call Recording and give it a search. In this list, you will find a lot of options, but scroll down because we need a specific one because that actually works. Now, all you have to do is tap on this particular, that is deleted audio recovery from Mean Photo Recovery. Now just tap on install. Let me speed up this process for you. As you can see, it is installing right now. Just tap open once it is installed. Here are a couple of things that you can do before you can start the actual process. First and foremost, go ahead and give all of the permission it asks for. By that, just tap ahead, restore deleted audio and wait for it to analyze all of it. Now it will take a time, so be very patient with it. After it is done, it will show you a list of files that was deleted and you can just select a specific one and just restore them. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.